Hello everyone and welcome to the 12th episode of How To series. I'm Alex, a seasoned recruitment consultant working in the US bio team, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a career pivot with your transferable skills. So let's get into it. The world of work is constantly changing and so are career paths. Did you know 40% of people are considering a career path change within the next 2 years? So venturing into new professional avenues is neither a novel idea nor uncharted territory. It's common. So as industries like the biotech and the digital continue to grow and transform, learning to switch careers by using your transferable skills is an important aspect to consider. So let's discuss the steps that can help ensure a smooth and successful career journey. Number one, start with self-reflection. You've got to work out what you like and what you dislike about your current role. Identify your motivations, your passions, and where you want to go next. Number two, moving on to skills assessment. Identify your current skills and the new ones you might need. We're given the rapid advancements in the biotech, the fintech, and the digital markets, staying updated with the latest trends and skills is absolutely essential. Don't just focus on your technical know-how. Soft skills like communication and adaptability are equally valuable, but did you know 84% of hiring managers advise focusing on your skills rather than a chronological work history on your CV to ensure that your CV and cover letters are tailored and highlight those transferable skills first. Okay, number three, now it's time for your CV and cover letter makeover. Emphasize your transferable skills and accomplishments. You need to add a summary that highlights your intention for a career change. Group your expertise under specific skills rather than a chronological list. Include any relevant coursework or certification. For instance, if you're in a research role, the deep understanding of the products can be invaluable in a sales position within the biotech industry. Or if you're a lab technician with experience in handling multiple tasks and ensuring the accuracy, that transition can be easily made into a project management role. So highlight those skills if you're looking to transfer between jobs. So now you've got to prepare for your interview. Be ready to explain the reasons for your career change, emphasize your passion, your commitment, and how your current skills can benefit the new role. Avoid speaking negatively about your current job at all costs and focus on looking to the future. Last but not least, networking. Connect with professionals in your desired sector. Attend seminars, webinars, workshops, message directors, get in contact with the individuals and the hiring managers. These interactions can provide insights into the industry, open doors to potential opportunities. You never know what's around the corner. So in conclusion, transitioning careers, especially in dynamic fields like biotech, fintech, and digital might seem daunting. However, 68% of individuals who made the leap into a new industry found the switch neither uncommon nor particularly challenging. It's achievable and happening more often than you can imagine. With the right approach and good understanding of your transferable skills, a dash of determination, you can unlock your next exciting opportunity. Remember, it's not just about where you've been, it's about where you're heading. So gear up for your job hunt and remember, we're here to help you guide on that exciting journey.